Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send stickers to someone in Bigo Live. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Bigo Live application. Make sure you are logging to your Bigo Live account. Now tap on the chat option. Select the person that you'd like to send stickers. Tap on the sticker icon which is right next to record icon. There you can find many stickers. Select any one of them. And this is how you can send stickers to someone in Bigo Live. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.